garbage battery skateboard.
Yeah.
There's a battery skateboard.
It's
got like one tire on it, and it's kind of wide, and then you stand on it sideways, so you lean forward and it rides. It was like 17 miles per hour and has like a charge range of like 6 to 7 miles or something like that. But it's $1,500.
Jesus.
Holy shit! Buy a moped for that. Wait, okay, alright.
Alright, boyos.
Oh, well, why is that Frizank guy in this game? Is he Diamond?
Hey, what's going on? Yeah.
Thank you.
I thought that was breaking glass on his end at first.
You're ready to do some damage.
What the fuck? That was the weirdest talk I've ever seen in my life.
we're literally playing against fucking like all the same people plus the people that were just on our team.
That'll happen, yo.
What the fuck?
Why is no one on point?
We had 3 deaths.
My ultimate is charging.
Alright, punish them if they're gonna overextend. Oh shit, I'm trapped. Oh, thank you, Garrett.
My ultimate is ready.
Nate's super low.
I'm with
Help me, it's Winston.
Yep. Ooh.
A Junkrat drove that thing all the way. Wait, had all of our team died?
Yeah, unfortunately. I couldn't fucking knock that Roadhog off the map.
Where am I needed? Right beside you.
Roadhog hooked.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, dude. Rip me, dude.
I might have to go through the building on the right.
I've got you.
Jesus Christ.
Get on the point. I got my res.
Let's get you back out there.
Oh, I'm dead anyway.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
We don't need the Roadhog or the Winston, I think.
Yeah, I tried, man. I don't know. What's the more 2 hollow?
Best round lost. Score.
I figured I can get in there and
I
just,
guess we could keep the same combo, go Reaper instead for that Winston. I thought we had
What
enough.
healers were they even running?
Yeah, Reinhardt probably is the
Lucio.
best choice since they're running that comp, you know.
Oh, I totally thought he was Roadhog, right? No, yeah, he was Roadhog.
Yeah, I would say
He
a
just
Reinhardt
changed.
wouldn't be better.
Nate checking in. Let's us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Reaper, let's try and link our ults together, okay?
Ace been down.
Yeah, you got it.
Where does it go?
Let's get this man.
Ah, damn it.
Well, fucking awesome.
The wonders of modern medicine.
That's cool, bro. We can do it. It's cool, bro.
Oh, fuck! I meant to hit tab.
Oh shit.
That's a lock. Sorry, I'll get ult quickly enough.
Be careful of pushing
It's
too
not like
far
my
away.
ult is the most mature.
No.
Seconds.
You're ready to do some damage. I am ready to revive you.
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ.
Where does it hurt? Heroes never die.
No way, dude. The mace should have been off the map. Wait, there was already 2 people dead when I did that. Dumb of me.
It's fine.
Hey, I already have my ult. Reaper, if you wanna look up.
Got it.
What the heck? Oh, monkey man.
Yeah.
Did someone call a doctor?
Push freeze.
Bad Harambe, bad Harambe.
Good hold.
Look out for that. Oh, okay.
I knew that was yep. They always go for me.
You can eliminate a healer.
I'm out.
I got direct hit, I'm not alive.
Shit. Ow.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna stop him outside the door. That's
Done.
amazing.
Get him.
Nice.
That was beautiful. Holy shit.
I don't know what happened there at the end, but wow.
Me and Reinhardt both ulted.
Practically used
Bad
never seen.
And it's winnable, boys.
You can hit it, go for it. Believe. Oh, I didn't believe hard enough. Look at all these guns everywhere.
I'm with you.
Reinhardt's boosted charge, man. Back off for a quick sec.
Much better.
Wow. Junkrat hit me right in the face.
Alright, so what can we do about that?
Yeah, you guys.
God damn it, dude. Fucking Lucio.
Boost you off.
Yep.
Back to square one.
I'm on my way back.
What kind of voice?
Later.
Nice push.
Garrett, no.
Oh, fuck off. Since when does Ana's grenade do damage?
Always.
Yeah.
My ultimate is ready.
Oh shit. Rip tire.
Next wall.
Me. Every time.
Oh,
Every time.
Never
Oh,
die.
nice.
Ridiculous.
If I had my shield when he fucking
Of course I couldn't get
ulted.
my ult off.
God damn. Fucking Maze ult. Either goes nowhere or everywhere.
What the fuck is doing that?
I guess we really don't need a Reaper.
Every time I try to charge out of the doorway, I get stopped immediately
Don't
by that
charge
little
right at
ledge.
that. Don't charge right at that door. For some fucking reason, it's a lift that'll stop you.
That's dumb as fuck.
I know.
I have my ultimate.
People just getting
I
fucking
died.
hooked into the pit.
I should.
Every time.
Is it worth keeping? Fuck. I guess so. Since it's so late.
Every time.
Oh, I got slapped. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Oh my shit.
Heroes never die. Damage amplified. Hunters engaged.
Oh.
Alright guys, it's fine. We just gotta hold it for 100%.
NBD.
Right?
The frick was that hook?
Ich kümmere mich um dich.
Good shit.
Nice.
Okay.
How? It's me. Okay,
Oh.
thank God.
I just fucking
Oh,
shielded the
tried it,
shit out of you, dude.
Right side. I'm asleep. Ana's down. Diva's just
What
shooting
an
me.
idiot, dude! What an
Diva's down.
Watch
idiot!
out behind us, Lucio.
What's in the point?
On the point.
Oh, let's see. Oh, fuck me.
Just trying to bait people into getting knocked off.
Yeah, he is.
Damn it! Reaper kept hopping out of my line of sight.
Got a junker
Good
over
fuck.
here.
Oh, hi Garrett. You die, just die together.
Fuck all you.
Diva's still on the point. Nice ult now, Garrett.
Aww.
She's dead.
Winston's behind us.
No, 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 no. Get that rip tire. It's gonna get me. It got me. Again.
Fuck.
Oh, I got my res
It
off.
was.
Lucia's hurt. Lucia's down.
Dude just about ate me.
Diva might ult.
You can do it, boys. You can do it, boys.
Winston's really weak. Winston's
Oh
really
my
weak.
god.
At will.
Winston's dead. Hey, get off.
Good heals.
I'm coming back. I got my ult.
No, no, no. Dang, dude. I got trapped. Nice, Frank.
Yeah!
Ooh, that was scary.
See? No big deal, you're right.
Good shit, guys.
Ooh, I'm glad I'm changed.
I'm actually pretty good with Star, man. Jesus.
Star is fun. I enjoy her.
I'll probably put the Winston back in. So I'm gonna go back to Reaper.
You kind of
Anybody
have
wants-
to your dealer.
If not, I'll stay.
Yeah.
Zero.
Well, no ult's best used
Yeah,
when
they did. They switched back to it. Which
You want some
probably-
Lucios?
I'll keep the Winston.
They're nutritious.
And delicious.
5, 4,
Yep. I like that.
1.
Alright, let's see if we can turn it around this time.
Let's actually get in there this time.
Suppressing Dr. Fire.
I do not have Winston.
What? Wait, what?
Someone call a doctor?
They're above the
Right underneath to the right.
Was that weak?
May in the point.
Push it, guys.
Garrett. Garrett, you're crazy.
Go for there,
That's
buddy.
Yeah, you got sleep. Anna's really close to going off map. Thank you.
Oh shit.
Oh, that was horseshit.
Nice job stopping that all.
I tried to negate the fact that she was ulting all of us, but that didn't work very well.
Fuck him up. Thank you. Ah, Lucio got me. Fuck him up. I'm on my way back, boys.
Modern medicine.
Combat high heels, don't fail me now.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit. Okay, I didn't realize I got healed like 4 times. I got boosted.
I tried push them off, Alex.
Damn it, dude.
I'm running. Fuck this.
Oh shit.
I'm asleep. I'm dead.
Okay, let's just.
Right.
If we got it, we can just regroup.
Regroup.
Wonders of modern medicine.
Well, they're still holding it, kinda. Just, you know.
Oh, I can't help you with that, May. Sorry.
So I
On my way.
just slowed him off.
I tried.
Okay, let's not piecemeal this. Back up, Garrett. Back up, Garrett.
That was me. My bad.
I have 3 tanks.
Yeah.
Just trying to run the meta.
Got you, fam.
Alright, so
my
it's all
ult, man.
good. Good for us.
Reaper, let's use our ults together.
Ah, it's far.
Lucio's.
My ultimate is ready.
Nice ult, Brian. Oh, I got it.
Fuck the Reinhardt up.
Junkrat knocked me in the air,
No.
which helped me kill one of them.
God dang it. I tried to get behind that Reinhardt shield.
Winston got me.
Almost sniped.
Oh, that was a
Long
selfish
to your
Lucio ult.
Come on.
Thank you.
Where am I needed?
Let's book it, son.
My ultimate is ready.
If they wipe us, I got a
I'll
res.
be watching over you.
Just try and take some of them. Oh my gosh. What a way to come back into the fight. Being pinned.
Junkrat ult
Shit.
from the right
This
side.
knocks me good.
Shit.
Ah, God.
Coming, fam. Nice. Good job, guys.
Heroes never die.
Winston's still here.
Got him.
You did.
Yeah,
Nice.
fam.
GG.
Dude, I went off as Reinhardt in that game.
I think I found my new main tank, man. I think Zarya just worked, has better synergy.
Wow,
Double-
Lucio POTG.
What?
Did you? Oh, this is
The
when you
double
bumped
knock,
against-
dude.
Yeah.
Dude, it is.
Come back.
Later,
Yeah,
gamer.
Hard.
Gotta go.
You're not even shooting.
It's fucked up.
Doesn't want the fucking
44 eliminations. Good God.
There you go, Garrett.
Good healing, by the way. That was amazing healing.
Funny.
Yeah, that,
I was doing that entire
on
match
point.
though. I was hanging out in that room over there. Anybody walked by that door. Boom. Later. Gotta go.
3 minutes. 3 minutes, 19 seconds of objective time.